Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. As we started the problem solving for the conditional statements, it's a problem number 2. We are checking whether the as a user will be giving two numbers and we have to check that which number is greater by comparing with both the numbers. Okay, we will do that practically. Okay, and just go for that. What is our aim? Okay, our aim is to that as a user n1 and n2 user will be entering the two numbers. As the first one he will enter 30, as the second number it will enter 20. We want to check this, we want to check the numbers internally. We have to check the n1 and n2 and you have to give the output like which is a greater number by comparing the two numbers. How we will give that? If num1 greater than num2, okay, we are comparing, okay, we are using comparison operator with the num1 and num2. As a user enter data is stored in n1 and n2. Okay, then if the n1 is greater, then we have to print n1 is greater. Okay, else we have to print n2 is greater. Okay, but here we need to observe, we are writing the code, we are writing the logic for only the first statement. If this condition fails, okay, if n1 is not greater, just take another example where n1 is 10 and n2 is equals to 20. Okay, here this condition is failed due to n1 is holding 10 and n2 is 20. The JVM directly print whatever you are writing in the else part. Okay, we need to take the input from the user by using the scanner class. Already we discussed, and we need to take two inputs and we need to store those two inputs and we have to write the logic. Okay, open the Eclipse. As we discussed, this is a even number problem. In the conditional problems package, create new class that is check two nums. Okay, include the main method, and first whatever, if you want to take the inputs as a dynamical, we need to import the scanner class which is presented in the Java util package. Okay, system.in. After that, what we have to do, we have to ask the user enter n1. Okay, after entering we have to save that n1 is equals to, as you are given the variable name or the reference, reference variable for the scanner class is sc, and access the method for the enter data type. Then ask the user enter the n2. Okay, after enter the n2 we need to store that in the enter data type with the using of particular method. Then after storing that we need to do the logic, right? If num1 greater than num2, okay, what we have to print, we have to print n1 is greater than n2. Okay, if that condition fails, if the n1 is holding the less value compared to the n2, we have to create else block and we have to say that n2 is greater than n1. Okay, just run this code. Asking the value of n1, I was giving 30 and n2 I was giving 20. As 30 is greater than, okay, just write num1 is greater, sorry, n1 is greater, and here n2 is greater. Okay, again we have to do that. Just rerun the code. Enter the num1 which is 30, num2 is, n2 is 20, 30 which is n1 is greater than n2. We will run another case, that is 10, 20, n2 is greater than n1. Okay, that's all about today video, comparing the two numbers and checking which is the greater between the two numbers. Okay, if you have any doubt just comment me below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.